Alright, I messed up. I started working again off camera because it's a bad habit. But I got these two in, but I gotta take them out. The halos, in case you can't tell what I'm doing. Because I did all of the harness work for them after I put them in. So I have all the rest of the harnesses ready. I just gotta get the harness for these, and then should be good. So I can go ahead and get these connected, put the lens back on, and then work on opening this headlight. So I'll show you guys how to open the headlight, in case you don't already know how to. But pretty easy. Pretty easy with these cars. So that's connected. That's good to go. I can put the lens on. And I'm not gonna leave the wires there for the harness. I'm simply just gonna test that it all works. I don't have to open them again, so I should be okay to close it. Just like that. Simple, easy. Alright, so opening the headlight. So easy. So obviously you gotta take out the side marker, and then you take out this bumper tab. There's like a headlight trim tab. There's a little push over here. You just push this and you can get it in. This is fucked up and I can't get it out. Whatever, don't care. And you just pop these clips up. There's 3 up top, 1 on the side, 3 in the bottom, and it should come out. And very surprising, these are OEM AL lighting lenses, so very cool. Either they bought new lenses for them, or they've just been taken care of like crazy, because they don't look restored, they look like brand new. Alright, so we can pop this off. We set that to the side, and I just gotta grab these out. So, what I did over there is basically, I ran these two to come over here. So they met there, and then this is just kind of like that. And then this comes out of the high beam bowl, which is what you guys saw over here. So let me see if I can get this camera over there. All right. Okay, my soldering station. Kind of a mess. I know where everything is, so we're good. So I need these to come this way into this light. So first start snipping these off, and then on these ones right here, always test them, because one of the negatives and positives are switched. So I gotta test which one's which. So this one, do this striped one is negative. So yeah. stripe is positive. Cool. Stripe is positive. This one, solid, will be positive. Yeah. I guess I really didn't need to do that just yet, but yeah. So this solid is positive. Just gonna move that so I know. Oops. Damn, let's put that all the way the hell down there. So I want to create a split in here. See which one's which again. I forgot. Stripe is positive. That's hot. They're done. So I'm gonna test it out here because the battery's disconnected. So So there they are. Pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I like that a lot. So one thing to note, wow, this is actually a really quick video. So one thing to note, I did use the double-sided tape and it doesn't look that great. You probably can't see it here. No, you can't. I got one. But you can see a little tape. Reason why I just left it like that is because I actually want to take them back out again when I'm ready to retrofit this one. So once I get new projectors for this car, like the wagon I did, or like I did on my wagon, then at that point is when I'll more permanently and more like discreetly hide those halos. I'll either use fishing line or you know, I'll figure something out that it can be clear and it'll look good. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. It's super simple to install these things. As far as the wiring goes, it's completely however you want. Usually it's got a white wire that you'll run into the cabin, that you tap into the glove box, like under the footwell lighting. So when you open the doors or unlock the car, the halos will turn on and then fade off when you lock it again. Then you're gonna run the trigger wire all the way over here into your ECU box, and then you just kind of tap into like the ignition source from there. But again, it's however you want to do it. There's no right or wrong way. You can get as creative as you want with it, but that's how like you would normally wire it up. So thanks again for watching. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. See you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my click. Let them see how out they gone, out the blicks. Pray to God,